Shit. First morning here on Lombok and it's already the most insane place I've ever stayed, I think. Take a look at this. That is insane. 2.5, 3 hours on the bike yesterday because of the rain, because I got trapped in that thunderstorm, which was horrible by the way, completely soaked. The only thing that didn't get soaked was the little bag on the bottom of the bike which had all of my electronics in, like my laptop and stuff, which I was very lucky with. Trying their famous brew called the Lombok coffee. No different to it, just a regular black coffee, but it's still nice. Not a proper breakfast without a dollop of the old chili sauce. Unfortunately, they got no ketchup, but chili sauce will be okay. Oh, there's a little fucking ant in my camera case. I don't know what they're going to be used for, but they're either pets or dinner. Right, we're going to go out for a ride, see if we can find some waterfalls. Here's my bike. Wow. She's beautiful, isn't she? I'll go with safety first. Yeah. Literally passed an entire village of people. 99% of them were just happy to see me and said hello. So welcoming. Gotta be there with one of the most scenic drives I think I've ever had. Hello. Pretty cool. Little sketchy back roads. Hello. Made it alive. Ultimate side quest. Yeah, I just parked in someone's gaff and this guy called Andy just started leading me through a rice field, going through all sorts of different bloody nooks and crannies. But he was truthful. insane. This whole valley to myself. Get yourself to Lombok. That's where it's at. Raw climbing the rock. Zero health and safety. Who needs it? We're on to the next waterfall now. The guy said it would be like 20 minutes. At least shouldn't be too long. Don't even know where I am. Hello. Hello. Oh, look at these coconuts. Fucking floating down a little stream. What's that all about? I've gone completely off the beaten trail here. I think it comes to a point when you use Google Maps where you've really just got to rely on your intuition of where to go. Just follow the yellow brick road. Ooh. But it's worth it. Look at that. Some locals just taking a bath down there. Shampooing his head and everything. Hello. Hello. I can hear flowing water, like heavy flowing water down there. But I can't see a waterfall. I must be going the right way. Right. Oh, this looks more like it. Oh. I need to concentrate so I don't fall in. Fuck me.
Very good.
Very good. Yes, cold? Sure.
No, not cold.
Not cold?
No.
Oh, good, good, good.
Go in the waterfall.
Yes,
Yeah,
I will. Okay, go, let's go, let's go.
Go!
Okay.
Oh, yeah! Hello! Where are you from?
England.
England. And then... Hello, England! And like this.
Joel Gibson.
Joel Gibson.
Yes.
Okay. I'm Otariadi.
Otariagi.
Yes.
Otariagi.
Ozzy.
Ozzy and
Dicky.
Dicky.
Hello, England!
Dicky. What is it? 1, 2. Check out the boys.
Of time. 5 years old. One. Everybody. 15 years old.
Sound. I gave the boys 100k. They deserved it, man. Hopefully that'll get them a treat later. You know, I'm happy to give, like, you know, whatever. Spend some time with like the fucking local kids or whatever. But I know it's only like a fiver to me. But I'm glad I've done a good deed of the day. Hello, brother. Good. That's it. Just find my way back somehow. Okay, thank you very much. 31 minutes to get back. Oh. crazy. It's a bumpy ride. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. I stopped for 2 seconds to look at the map, and about 7 children came running out the house and just crowded the bike, asking for ice cream. I was like, no, I don't have any more money. We've made it. Done and dusted.